Cadastre is an information system that both models the human relationship with the land and forms the basis for all kinds of plans, projects, and services. In addition, cadastral studies have been carried out in our country since 1920, and 99.6% of our country's first cadastre has been completed. The content of the cadastre changes depending on the socio-cultural changes of societies, technological development, and user demand, thus causing the land registry and cadastre data to be insufficient in registering, representing, and managing large data sets on the property, land use, and property valuation. The modern cadastre is expected to record the data in its third dimension as comprehensive, sustainable, and accessible, as well as the second dimension of the land. The idea of a three-dimensional cadastre has emerged in line with the need for the cadastre to meet these requirements expected from the modern cadastre of the future, and to have a structure that can manage by including information in all dimensions of the land. The General Directorate of Land Registry and Cadastre has started to work on the transition to the 3D cadastre system in our country, thanks to the national software that it has created by using the current technological infrastructure in the best way. The third dimension cadastral model process includes increasing the quality of cadastral data, scanning and modeling architectural projects, creating 3D photogrammatic city models, and then integrating all data such as address data, public restrictions, zoning data with the cadastral parcels, as well as producing real estate value data and integrating them into the system. The production of three-dimensional city models is carried out in two different ways: the photogrammatic method and the modeling of architectural projects. First of all, in our three-dimensional cadastral works, images were taken using an advanced high-tech aerial camera, and 3D models of the buildings in the settlements were produced. Then, using the architectural projects in the Land Registry archives, three-dimensional property models were produced, where the interior structure of the independent sections can also be viewed. Architectural models are integrated with our photogrammatic models, providing integration with address, building identity system, municipality, and other public institutions' data. All data such as land registry, cadastre, address, public restrictions, and zoning data are integrated with each other. In addition to this, the integration of the land registry data into the central address registration system has been ensured in our system. Data integration aims to inform the citizens by allowing the independent sections to be viewed in three dimensions and to examine the interior of the models. In addition, visualizing the public restrictions on the property of citizens in the Human Rights Action Plan of our presidency and recording the buildings in the land registry as of the construction phase will ensure that citizens get rid of additional bureaucracy. In addition, official arm's length values data of the real estate was collected and data integration was provided for the real estate. As a result of the integration, property values were assigned to the independent sections with algorithms produced by adhering to international standards, and value increments were produced. In addition, most of the data such as the buildings area, number of independent sections, age, facade, location, and the number of rooms and sizes of the independent sections, especially the attributes of the building that should be used in mass valuation studies, are obtained within the scope of this project with the need for additional labor or time. In addition, all data is integrated and a building information form is created for each building by using this information. Our 3D cadastre system, which has many innovations compared to its examples in the world, benefits in topics such as detection and tracking of existing building stock, integration of land registry, cadastre, address, and 3D building data, 3D web presentation of all integrated data, sustainability of the 3D cadastral system, smart cities, property valuation and fair tax, land management, disaster management, impact on security systems, engineering projects. The 3D model of new buildings is included in the system in cooperation with local governments at the licensing stage. In this way, the sustainability of the system is ensured by saving time and cost without the need for additional labor, with the effect of inter-institutional cooperation and information technologies.